welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up the February Sephora Play Box. Yes, I'm so happy. So this is a subscription box that comes to you monthly. It costs $10 and it has 5 items and a bonus item. Scissors! Time to open up the box. Okay, so one of these days I'm going to end up cutting myself. I know that's going to happen. My odd handling of scissors. I know you caught that, everybody. Okay. This is the inside of the box. It comes with this beautiful piece of paper, and this tells you on the inside all the products that you're going to get, and it also has like a little postery thingy, so it's like this. And this little card, if you take it into your Sephora and some of the JCPenney Sephoras, you get bonus points. I have yet to use one of these because I don't drive anywhere. And then you get your little bag of goodies. So we're going to reach into our bag and pull out an item. Okay. Ooh, what's this? It's one of the Sephora line items. And it says it is a cream lip stain. Ooh, this is going to be an approved color, let me tell you. It is a very red color. Very red. And I will swatch it on the back of my hand. This is stained, so this is going to be great. I'm going to have a little red mark on my hand. But it felt really, really great going on, might I tell you. Next item to come out of here is going to be in a shiny box, and it's from Lancome. It's the Drama Liquid Pencil. So let's see what this is. Ooh. It is a black pencil eyeliner, and it goes on very smooth, and it is a very, very nice black color. Thumbs up. Always need one of these because I hate sharpening my pencils. I'm just that lazy. Next item. Ooh, something I'll probably never use. So where I work at, I cannot wear perfumes unless they're very lightly scented, and this is from Victor and Rolf. It's called Flower Bomb. Great, I got a little bit in my hand. It's not like a super florally color. It's not a super florally color. I smell colors. The scent is not super florally. I don't know. It's not that bad. I wonder if it has one of my favorite things in it. But anyways, onward. Next thing is hard to read because I hate packages that have writing on like a clear bottle, because then you try to read it and you're like, I'm going to go blind. And so I'm going to look at this piece of paper, and this is from First Aid Beauty. This is super food for thought. This is a jelly mask, so that's going to be fun. I love masks. I'm going to be showing a couple masks, so I just want to get the consistency and see what it feels like. Ooh, that's like very, very like creamy, and it doesn't really have a scent. As I put my nose all up on it. Okay. And then next item is, I had stuff on my hand, another Sephora item, and this is a itty bitty little baby lipstick. Oh my god, you guys, check how small this thing is. It's so little. Oh, I love little things. That's why I love me. And it feels like maybe it got loose or something because the tip is kind of like messed up, but let's swatch it. Swatch, 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 swatch. And it's like a very berry color versus that red that we tried earlier. It's pretty nice. I will have to try it out. reminds me of the colors from Nessus. Just saying. And last item is in this lovely little container. And oh, this is from, oh, I love this company. It's just, I haven't really purchased anything from them because it is a pricier company, but I do like when I get things from them. It's Belief. This is a lightweight eye cream. This is their moisturizing eye balm. So, super excited to try this out. It's an eye cream. I don't have a lot of eye creams. I think I've said that before. So, I will try this out and let you know how it works. It's supposed to get rid of under eye circles and stuff like that. And I hope it works really great. So that's everything that came in the box and everything. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to come watch me open the box. If you want to go ahead and get your own Sephora Play box, I'll go ahead and put the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video and you want to see more unboxings like this, give it a big huge thumbs up. If you want to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, or Snapchat, I'll go ahead and put that information in the description box below. Please hit the subscribe button. I plan to have some gaming videos coming out at some point. I'll put a gaming video out. As well as other tutorials that I'm going to be doing for the looks from the game Destiny shader thingies that I'm doing. I love you all, and I'll see you later. Bye!